What we're catching on video right now is an Amazonian in the wild. This is very rare to catch them in their natural habitat. We can't get too close because we might startle it and it'll go back into hiding. Look as it forages for food, trying to eat anything and everything. How they've survived this long, nobody knows. Shh, shh, shh. We don't want to startle her. She's on the move once more, foraging for food. She must have a small tribe back at home that she has to feed. She looks for anything and everything she could find. She's on the move, she's on the move!